Hello everyone, welcome to JEE SOFTECH. Let me discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. What is meant by data dictionary in ABAP? ABAP data dictionary represent metadata, data about data that is present inside the SAP database in addition to the metadata maintained by the database. Data dictionary allows the necessary description of all the data with redundancies that are used in the system. New or updated information will be provided automatically for all the system components. This ensures data security, data consistency, and data integrity. It is used to discuss the logical structures of certain objects that can be used in the development of the ABAP 4th generation application, and it can also display the underlying relational database in tables. The data dictionary is useful in creating and managing data definitions as well as in creating tables, domains, views, data elements and types. Also, it supports a few standard functions for editing screen, fields like assigning input help to the field of a screen. Thank you.